Hey, what's up? How are you?
I am good. How are you?
All good यार. आप सेफ तो हो? ठीक तो हो सब? आपके फ्रेंड्स फैमिली सब
Yes,
ठीक है?
yes. आप बताओ हम सब सेफ हैं.
एकदम मजे में. मैं देखो बैठा हूँ पहन के मस्का का टी शर्ट.
अरे वाह, nice. So Preet, tell me something. How are you coping up with this quarantine? Yesterday I saw you trimmed your hair and it's looking really nice. What are you doing these days?
I'm trying to learn and hone new skills and making the best of this time. So पहली दिन जब मुझे पता चला था कि लॉकडाउन होने वाला है तो I treated it as a bonus schedule of our life. 21 दिन जो हमें मुफ्त
Okay.
में मिले जब दुनिया पे पॉज बटन दबा लिया है और सब कुछ रुक गया है. तो अब ये एक्स्ट्रा दिन है हमारे पास तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
हम इसको वेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं, हम इसको यूटिलाइज भी कर सकते हैं. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं यूटिलाइज करूँ. ऑल्दो मैंने काफ़ी मतलब एक हफ्ता वेस्ट किया है, कुछ भी नहीं किया है. मैं सिर्फ सोया हूँ, उठा हूँ, खाया हूँ. बट आई थिंक उसके बाद मैंने अपना एक रूटीन बनाया. एंड रूटीन बनाने के बाद मैं उस रूटीन को फॉलो करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. मैंने
Follow.
परसों अपने फैमिली के लिए सब्जी बनाई थी, आलू की सब्जी.
Oh, that's great.
मॉम की हेल्प कर रहा हूँ, मैं झाड़ू मारता हूँ.
Nice.
तो आई एम एंजॉयिंग, आई एम हैविंग गुड टाइम. आई ट्राइड स्लीपिंग अर्ली आल्सो, तो मैं काफ़ी फ्रेश भी फील करता हूँ. आई एम मेडिटेटिंग, आई एम वाचिंग गुड फिल्म्स. And hello everybody, hi,
Great.
what's up, what's up,
Yeah.
what's up, what's up. So excited to
People are
talk
very
to you guys.
excited here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how are you like dealing with all the love that's coming in your way? I watched Maska and I think everyone has already watched it. How do you
Correct.
feel?
I think it's a very bittersweet moment. I'll tell you why. Because uh, firstly, with what the world is going through right now and what the situation is, I
Yeah.
feel very bad that we're going through such a time and period in our life,
Yeah.
and there are a lot of people affected by it because of it. Especially the daily wage earners from our film industry are very very
I
affected
know.
by it. एंड उसी के रिलेटेड अमिताभ बच्चन सर ने आज एक शॉर्ट फिल्म प्रेजेंट
निकाली.
की,
Exactly.
which is about helping these daily wage earners. and जो हमारे लिए रोज काम करते हैं, हमारी जो टीम होती
Hmm.
है
Yeah.
शिपिंग पर, सिर्फ एक्टर या डायरेक्टर काम नहीं करते, उसके पीछे कम से कम 100 लोग होते हैं जिनको हम कभी नोटिस भी नहीं करते. तो वो लोग इससे बहुत अफेक्टेड है. सो आई फील रियली रियली बैड फॉर दैट. बट एट द सेम टाइम आई फील दैट a movie that can make people smile, some people
Yeah.
smile, जो भी इसे देख सकते हैं, जो भी ये प्रिविलेज जो हमारे पास है कि ये क्वारंटाइन में हम अपने घर में बैठ के हंसी मजाक कर रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, लाइव वीडियो कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जो इतने फॉर्चुनेट नहीं है. तो इट्स अ बिटर स्वीट मोमेंट. आई फील गुड दैट कहीं ना कहीं मैं किसी को किसी का 2 घंटे अच्छे से गुजारने में किसी की मदद कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आई एम फीलिंग बैड अबाउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री एंड द वर्ल्ड. So it's been good. It's the reason why it's been good is because a lot more people could watch the film
Yeah.
because of the lockdown.
Of
And
course.
but the idea is that the film could help people. I get a lot of messages, and I love reading them. They say कि Maska made me smile. I
Yeah.
love this scene, I love that scene. मुझे अपने पुराने दिन याद आ गए. मुझे वो खाने का मन कर रहा है. So I'm so happy that in such a period, while sitting at home, I can
Yeah.
be a part of some good thing and contribute to somebody's smile somewhere. Yeah.
True. I read a lot of messages here. Everyone's saying Maska is a beautiful movie. I think I have
Thank you.
read the same message
Thank
three,
you.
4 times. And someone here is asking, Anirudh here is asking, how was your time shooting for it?
Oh, my time shooting for it was amazing.
Yeah.
बारिश just about शुरू होने वाली थी और मुझे बारिश और बॉम्बे दोनों बहुत पसंद है. तो I really really
Okay.
enjoy working in Bombay and in rains. जो हमारा कैफे था वो पूरा का पूरा कैफे फिल्म सिटी में एक सेट बना था जो इंटीरियर्स था.
Okay.
हाय हिरल, हाय 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 अमन, सॉरी, हाय हाय अनी, हाय
Hmm.
व्हाट्सअप. आई थिंक अनी हमने पहले भी एक लाइव किया था, वहां पे भी अनी आई थी. सो या सो फिल्म सिटी में हमारा सेट था. एंड फिल्म सिटी हैज सीन सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म्स बीइंग मेड. तो
Yeah.
ये मेरी पहली फिल्म का पहला सेट था. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी थी कि वहाँ पे मैं शूट कर रहा था. इसके पहले मैंने दिल है हिंदुस्तानी एक शो किया था, which is also shot in a studio in film city. लेकिन
Okay.
एक फिल्म का सेट होना जो मेरी
Yeah.
फिल्म हो
That's
is
different.
a different feeling. So yeah, I had a good time shooting it, and हमारा जो production house था Mutant India is phenomenal. The team was great, you know, the production team, everybody. Hi Anuj, hi, what's up? This is my friend.
Okay. So, Aman Arora here is asking, how was your experience working with Neeraj, your director?
Neeraj is the best thing about a director who is also, you know, debuting and coming out uh, with his first film is that
Yeah.
he's so much engrossed in it. Like he's absolutely in the process in every possible way because he wants to give his best. And on this film, on this particular film, there were very young people, many new people starting out their careers, and there were also veterans who were, you know, guiding us and supervising us through the process. So I feel when young energy and new people come in together to make something, it's even better because there is a lot of scope of discussion, and
Yeah.
I can give my ideas without any fear of judgment. I can talk to my director like I'm talking to a friend. जब बहुत बहुत सीनियर डायरेक्टर होता है तो आप उससे जाके कुछ रेकमेंड
Yeah.
करने से यू नो
I
घबराते हैं
know.
कि वो मेरा सजेशन लेंगे नहीं. But with Neeraj sir, it was always discussing. You know, we would ideate on certain things. So it was wonderful, and he's a brilliant writer. He's written some great films, and he's made some short films. तो and ये बहुत प्यारे है. You know, Rumi का character is partly based on Neeraj Advani, the director of the film,
Oh,
the writer.
okay.
So I saw
So nice.
Rumi, my character in him all the time. So it was pretty easy for
That's
me.
great.
Yeah.
Okay. I see several comments on your HP ad, which was released yesterday. You
Yeah.
released a short ad, like an advertisement, and it was really nice. People are saying loved the ad. So
Thank you.
I just want to, was this like a particular decision you made that, you know, during this time when the world actually needs positivity, you put out that ad? Because I think that was shot in 2018.
18, yes. It was shot in 2018, and the director is a really good friend of mine, Jay Bhansali. So we both had a conversation about it long back that, you know, we should talk to HP and get the ad released. Because it was not released for some reason, got forsaken. I don't know why. But then we spoke to them, and Jay, you know, really convinced them that at least we can put it on our channels because it's a
Yeah.
message that should reach people.
I know.
And in such times, you know, if you can contribute in any way possible through your content or through your work, then it's gonna just add, you know, one drop to the
True.
ocean. So why not?
Yeah.
Yeah. My
Okay.
brother is also here.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay. Your fan page is also here. Preet Kamani
Hi,
fan
hi.
page. They're
What's
saying
up? Hi.
Pepsi ad was super hit. No,
Thank you.
Pepsi ad was super, Preet. Okay. So, Hiral here is asking, do you think it was better that Muska was a Netflix original? Actually, even I had that question in mind because web is taking, like, it's taking over, honestly, and
Yeah.
web is everywhere nowadays that it's a lockdown. Everyone's relying on the web space. So,
Yeah.
what do you think about it?
I think Netflix is a great portal for films like Muska because Muska has a particular audience, and that,
Okay.
I mean, it obviously relates with all sort of audiences, but there's
Yeah.
a specific audience, you know, ones who like to watch such movies, and it's a movie that you watch it at ease, you know, आराम से आप अपने समय पर अपने time के साथ engrossed होके बैठिए. तो and that can only be provided through Netflix. And the film, the idea was that it's nothing great. It's nothing like larger than life. It's not a masala. It's not. There's no drama.
Yeah.
There is nothing which is overwhelming. But the idea is so simple and so beautiful and so cute that
Yeah.
in its cuteness and in its simplicity, it makes you feel overwhelmed. And I think more than theaters or big screen, I think वो idea Netflix पर better work करता है, I feel, because like, you know, there's a film that I really loved on Netflix was To All the Boys I Loved Before.
Yeah.
And that was a film that I felt that, you know, मुझे Netflix पे ही देखना अच्छा लगा वो film. I
Yeah.
don't know. It's just a
There are
feeling.
several films like that. Yeah.
But I know that a Rohit Shetty film I would like to go to theater and watch.
Theater and
I know
watch
that
it.
for sure. Yeah. So
Okay.
that's about it. And I think in
That's
such
great.
times where people can't step out, it's a great
Yeah,
medium.
it's helping a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Ani Dev here is asking, songs of Maska beautiful. Your favorite from Maska?
My favorite song from Maska is actually the Maska song. It's so upbeat. I like it.
Yeah.
Like I love the lyrics of the song, and जो दो मस्का का title track है, I love it. It just makes me happy. It just gives me some sort of energy and boost. And in fact, I love the entire track. Like Mikey McCleary is one of my favorite, music composers,
Okay.
and and I surprisingly I worked with him during a film that I was going to do, but it didn't
Okay.
work out. So
Oh,
then I got to work with him again on this film, in a way.
that's great.
So I love that. Maja mare tu maja.
There are a lot of people from Rajkot also. I read a comment that I'm your neighbor. It was written
क्या
in
बात है?
Gujarati. Yeah.
अच्छे, क्या
See,
बात है?
people from everywhere are joining. Okay, Shruti here is asking, how has your journey been? Even I wanted to ask you that you have tried your hands on literally everything. You have hosted, you have been in music videos, you have done TV, ads, everything, films, and now a web film as well. So, how has your journey been? And if I ask you if there's any tip you want to give someone who wants to become an actor, like your character in the film, what would it be?
So I the journey has actually been very very effortless. I never really planned anything कि मैं ये करूँगा फिर ये होगा फिर ऐसा करेंगे. It just happened organically, and I went with the flow. Uh, and as and when the opportunities showed up at the door, I just embraced it with all my heart and gave my all to it. So yes, I've tried almost everything because I've been doing that since forever. Even in school,
Okay.
मैं हर चीज में पार्टिसिपेट करता था. मतलब मैंने कुछ नहीं छोड़ा. कॉलेज में भी मैं हर चीज में पार्टिसिपेट करता था बिकॉज आई बिलीव्ड दैट आई कुड बी ग्रेट इन एनीथिंग. एंड दैट्स द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ एन एक्टर. यू एन एक्टर इज सपोज टू बी मैलिएबल. वो किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप उसे मोड़ सकते हो और वो
Yeah.
कुछ भी करना चाहिए. सो मुझे पायलट भी बनना था, मुझे सोल्जर भी बनना था, मुझे नेवी में भी जाना था, मुझे आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट बनना था, मुझे
Okay.
मुझे सब कुछ करना था. So
Yeah.
uh, in that basic curiosity and enthusiasm, I used to do everything. मैं कॉलेज में और स्कूल में सारे शोज मैं ही होस्ट करता था. मतलब अगर कुछ टेक्निकल गड़बड़ हो जाती है, माइक खराब हो गया, कुछ हो गया, तो टीचर उठा के मुझे स्टेज पे डाल देंगे कि चलो एंटरटेन करो सबको. क्लास में जब मतलब एक जीरो लेक्चर होता था, जब टीचर एब्सेंट है, नहीं आ पाई है, तो फिर हम एंटरटेन करना शुरू करते थे. तो मैं स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी भी करता था, मैं डांस भी
Yeah.
करता था. So I think as an actor, all of that is very very important and necessary to be able to do anything at any given point in time. क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट में जो लिखा है उसे पढ़ के बोलना, तो मतलब फिर तो आप न्यूज़ रीडर भी बन सकते हो.
Yeah.
लेकिन जो लिखा है ना, और जो मकसद है वो एंटरटेनमेंट है, इमोशंस को टच करना है, एंगेज करना है ऑडियंस को. आई थिंक वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. So yeah, that's why I tried everything, and the journey has been very
Okay.
great. I'm just grateful for everything that happened so far, and one thing led to another. जैसे मेरी फिल्म आई थी हम चार, with Rajshri
Yeah.
Production, exactly 2019 में रिलीज हुई थी. और the funny thing is that released with Gully Boy, like the biggest film of 2019, and my film released at the same time. And obviously my film got lost in amidst all of that. People whoever watched it liked my work, liked the film,
Yeah.
but फिल्म टू बी ऑनेस्ट चली नहीं. और मुझे बड़ा अफसोस हुआ कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की थी, मेरी इतनी पहली फिल्म, इतने सालों की वेट करने के बाद मुझे फर्स्ट फिल्म
Yeah.
मिली, मैंने काम किया और बिल्कुल भी नहीं चली. तो अफसोस हुआ. और उसके 2 ही महीने बाद मेरी पेप्सी की एड रिलीज होगी, और वो पेप्सी की एड इतनी बड़ी हिट हो गई कि
Yeah.
1 साल तक हर थिएटर में हर फिल्म से पहले चलती थी. So I think it's important to know that life has its own way of giving you your dues. It pays, it pays off always.
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है कि एक जिस तरह से आपने सोचा था उसी तरह से आपको मिलेगा, बट हो सकता है कि उसके अलग तरीके से कहीं से वो आए. So you just keep at it, but be real to yourself. Try and identify if you're really good actor, if you really meant for this. तो ही फिर आगे बढ़ना, वरना रूमी की तरह आप सोच सकते हो. अगर आपने फिल्म देखी है तो you can know
Yeah.
what I'm saying. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, that's great. So Noops Goyal is here asking which new project is coming up.
So I'm working on a film that is produced by Anubhav Sinha, sir, and it's directed by Ratna Sinha ma'am, and it's a very Bollywood हीरो टाइप फिल्म है. मतलब जैसे पेप्सी में आपने लड़का देखा था उस तरह का किरदार है. वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम मस्का, वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम वट एवर आई डन. बट टिपिकल 90s का जो हीरो था, एक कैसे वो पागल सा दीवाना सा होता है, उस तरह का है वो. सो आई थिंक द रेट्रो इज बैक. सो हम थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं वापस 90s की तरफ. Yeah.
That's great. Okay. Preet, as you know, we are, of course, in the middle of a lockdown and everyone's at home. Sometimes people get really negative thoughts in their minds, and I'm sure everyone does. So if I ask you one positive message or any tip or anything you want to tell all your fans, because I see so many people showing so much love to you, what would it be?
I think meditation is the answer to my queries. Whenever I'm in doubt, I like to meditate. मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ कि मैं मेडिटेट करके कुछ मुझे शायद आंसर मिल जाता है या सोल्यूशन मिल जाता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मेडिटेशन करने से सिर्फ आपको उससे फेस करने की स्ट्रेंथ मिल जाती है. तो आई गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ दीज लो पीरियड्स इन लाइफ, एंड अभी रिसेंटली मैं एक बहुत ही लो फेज में था, एंड व्हाइल मेडिटेटिंग आई कुड जस्ट फील a better energy to cope up with that phase. So I think it's important to sit down and spend time with yourself. And if you get dark or negative, तो momentarily उससे निकलने के लिए I think अच्छे गाने सुनना बहुत जरूरी है. तो मैं आज सुबह ही जैसे मैं अच्छे गाने सुन रहा था, you can check my story out. I was just listening to good songs and making my mood better, and it does help. Yeah, talking to your friends. Yeah, so basically letting your heart out. आप जो भी अपने दिल में बहुत दबा के मत रखो, सब बता दो किसी को जाके.
Okay, thank you so much, Preet, for coming live with us. That was great chatting with you. And stay safe, and we'll see you next time. Okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. See you.
Bye. Bye everybody.